Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Wednesday morning. Today is an active rest day. We're taking a break from the weights and we're going to hit a stretch routine, a Pilates stretch routine. It's the extend your body, I think is what it's called. And I think it's 7 moves, somewhere in there. 7 moves, takes about 5 minutes. And it's a spinal and torso stretch. And the idea is to of course, everything Pilates is kind of spinal and torso. And anyway, it's the internal and external torso where you're stretching internal and contracting external, or contracting internal and stretching external, depending on the move. Like cat-cows, you're going both directions. So we're going to hit this Pilates routine, head out on a walk. A little bit chilly this morning. We'll see how we feel for the jog and come back and chat. So here we go. Let's hit it. Let's get it done. Longevity train so we can meet age with grace. Let's do it. Wednesday's active rest day is done, and we've got the extend your body. That went really well. Actually, this is probably the best I've felt the inner outer torso difference. Those cat-cows especially, I really focused on it. I'll tell you what, it does make a difference if you can feel it and you can hone in on it, you know. Contracting one set and stretching the other set, kind of nifty, I guess. So we'll see what the results are after I do that a few times. But yeah, that went well. Stretch felt good. Spinal stretch, all the, my hamstrings and glutes and all that got stretched. I always get to that up-down plank and my triceps are already wore out from everything else. And plus from the Monday workout there, got a good workout, and I'm starting to cramp up sometimes when I'm doing those. So anyway, but that went well. Went on a walk jog. I did do some jogging, trying to hold back a little bit. We hit 1250s today. So I stopped and walked the last quarter mile just to get the cool down in. Get the heart rate down, let it come down naturally instead of just all abrupt, just an abrupt stop. So, probably jogged 3/4 of it, more than I probably should have, but thinking after leg day, of course on leg day we walk, maybe the before and after leg day we shouldn't push so hard on the jog. Probably pushed harder today than I should have since it was leg day yesterday. Anyway, I got to think all that through and figure out. If I come up with a plan, I can follow the plan. If I let myself just jog, then I become competitive. Whereas if I mentally focus myself on the plan, I can follow that plan. So I tell myself, let's take it easy on Monday and Wednesday, and of course on Tuesday after leg day, I can do that. I need probably legs, you work out your thighs and all those are your biggest muscles in your body. Work out all that, plus it engages all your core and everything else when you're doing it. You need a good 2 to 3 days before you do leg workout again. So need to let them recover a little bit. So I think I probably need to let that happen, get the recovery in. Still walk, but walk at a not so much of a jog. Anyway, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I've not had this issue. So I'm not much of a runner and not much of a jogger, but it's feeling pretty good. So I'm going to keep doing it because I think everything else is tightening up from it. Meaning all the extra skin that I've got and extra little bit of fluff, it's kind of starting to tighten up some, it feels like. So we'll see. Anyway, getting long-winded. We'll let you guys go. You guys get some longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. So do it. Let's do it. Anyway, have a great Wednesday. Let's get over the hump. You guys take care. Be safe. See ya.